I received this query a lot of time. How do we change cabin filter in Slavia, Kushaq, Virtus and Taigun? So this is a easy process. We need to open the glove box. After this we see there are two locks here, one here and one on this side. We need to pull them out up like this, and after this the glove box compartment will be coming down. So do it one by one. Now we need to pull these locks below like this. So then we need to open this up. You can keep this side and remove the cabin filter, and you see this is so filthy right now. I am not going to use this again. I have another cabin filter from Bootmo. So we are going to do the orientation of the text. Afterwards, this side is up, this side is down, so we need to fit these three locks in the dedicated slots and then push the cabin filter in, lock it in, and the last step, just push the glove box compartment in and we are done.